Hello everyone and welcome. Today, let's learn English with a famous story. This is the story of Robin Hood. Once upon a time, there was a man named Robin Hood. He lived in a big green forest. The forest was called Sherwood Forest. Robin was not alone. He had many friends. They were called his merry men. His best friends were Little John and Friar Tuck. Robin was a very good archer. He could shoot an arrow far and straight. He always hit his target. In England, at that time, there was a bad prince. His name was Prince John. Prince John was very greedy. He took a lot of money from the poor people. The people were very sad. They were hungry and had no money. They needed help. Robin Hood saw this. He was not happy. He wanted to help the poor people. So, Robin had an idea. He said to his friends, "We will take money from the rich. Then we will give it to the poor." His merry men thought this was a great idea. They all agreed to help. So, Robin Hood and his merry men went into action. They would hide in the forest. When a rich man came through, they would stop him. Robin would say, "Give us your money." The rich men were scared. They gave their money to Robin. Robin Hood was always polite. He never hurt anyone. He only took the money. After they got the money, Robin and his friends would go to the poor villages. They gave the money to the people who needed it. The poor people were so happy. They loved Robin Hood. They called him a hero. They had food to eat. They could buy clothes. Life was better for them. But Prince John was very angry. He did not like Robin Hood. He wanted to catch him. The prince sent his soldiers to the forest. "Find Robin Hood," he shouted. The soldiers looked everywhere, but they could not find Robin. Robin Hood was very clever. He knew all the secret paths in the forest. He and his friends were safe. Robin Hood continued to help the poor. He became a legend. People told stories about him for many years. He was the hero who helped the poor and fought for what was right. The story of Robin Hood teaches us something important. It teaches us to be kind. It shows us that we should help people who need it. Sharing with others is a good thing to do. Being brave and standing up for others is also very important. Robin Hood was a hero because he was kind and brave. That's the story of Robin Hood. I hope you liked it. It's a great story to practice your English. Try to tell the story to a friend. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe for more stories. Bye for now.